Hello everyone, I am currently checking into the SUNSCAPE Sabor Hotel on the island of Cozumel. Let's go take a look, because we have a 4-star hotel and all-inclusive. This is the reception area. Here is the waiting area. It's really nice that there are also refreshing drinks available here. While you wait, you can have something to drink. You can also book excursions here. As for the exchange rate at the hotel, the rate here is completely unfavorable, so if you bring dollars to the island of Cozumel, you should exchange them somewhere else. In private exchanges, the rate is around $16.50, while here, as you can see, they exchange at 15. Our room is 27.12. You can just see what it simply looks like. Our 2 beds. They place some water here additionally. Let's take a look. There is a mini fridge here. The mini fridge has a mini bar that can be used. Great. There's absolutely nothing here at all. Let's indeed take a look at the whole table. Unfortunately, my view is not of the sea because it is budget friendly. This is the view. There is a passage to the neighboring rooms here. So everyone lives in these small houses, except for those who live in the main part of the hotel. These houses are literally 2 to 3 floors. Here we have a safe, and they also safely placed a hairdryer. This is great because the humidity here is very high. Hair will likely not dry. You can already see an ironing board here. Let's check if we need to get an iron at the reception, or if it is already included. It is included. Great. Nothing needs to be taken separately. They additionally placed 2 blankets, but this is apparently without winter. Now I want to show you the mountain. Here they placed a small shaving kit. They also put a bar of soap and a clean towel. And by the way, when we were greeted, they also gave us a towel that was a little damp. It was very nice to just wipe my face. A warm towel, a kind of welcome, let's say, but were no welcome drinks. No beverages were offered, but they could be poured by oneself. There, as I showed you at the reception, this is body cream, napkins. They placed 2 bottles of water with cups. So let me find where the light turns on. Here is the toilet area. It is separated, so one person can brush their teeth while another does their business or washes up. Here in these large dispensers, there is shampoo, and they also placed shower gel. Everything is wonderful. Toilet paper, towels. He didn't skimp on towels. 4 towels plus 1 for the floor. This is very nice. And plus, here are 2 face towels. Overall, everything is fabulous. I really like it here. Now we are settling in and will continue to explore.
I have listed all meals and where you can eat for free, all inclusive. Here, I see there are practically no gaps, so you can even eat somewhere 24 hours a day, whenever you wake up, whenever you want to eat. In any case, you can find something here in the hotel. As I already showed, there is an amazingly delicious drink at the reception, and there were also apples and cookies. Cookies, by the way, are also very tasty, so you can eat them too. This is literally what the beach looks like here. It's right next to our room. Look, there are a large number of free sun loungers. Well, it's clear that it's already evening, but there are still very interesting hammocks. You can just relax right in the water. Well, in general, the place for a photo session is very interesting. The beach is sandy. There are also a large number of sun loungers here. The first restaurant is Sunnyside Green, and here is such a menu, you can choose something from this. There is even a delicious children's menu here. We're now heading to breakfast right now. There is indeed no one in the pool yet, but there are currently a lot of people in the gym. Breakfast is served in a buffet format. Here are some delicious eggs, including tartines, which are open-faced sandwiches, scrambled eggs, which are eggs chopped into small pieces, and a savory bean sauce. Here are toast, bananas fried in oil, sausages, pancakes. A large number of disposable cereal for every delicious taste. Here are delicious toppings such as various fresh nuts, milk, juice, yogurt and fruits. There are indeed a lot of fruits. There are apples and oranges, melon. As I already mentioned, you can additionally take excursions at the hotel. There are a lot of them here. But I definitely advise you to visit El Cielo, swim with masks, fins and snorkels, see starfish, and of course, get to know the rays. They are very large here. They don't bite anyone. They are not poisonous here. And it is simply incredible beauty, the blue water. Be sure to come here in the first half of the day to see all this beauty. When evening comes, various events and contests take place on the central stage. You can participate in them, and you can also watch movies. Unfortunately, at the moment, as you can see, the hall is completely empty. Apparently, the movie just doesn't appeal to people. At this time, there is a screening of children's cartoons on the beach, and you can also enjoy the romantic atmosphere. Everything is decorated with beautiful lights.
Today is Korean night, Free Friday. Dinner takes place in this format. Large tables are set up at the reception area and a buffet is displayed. Of course, right now in the footage you see a wide variety of vegetables, but in reality there are indeed interruptions and issues with the availability of food here. The waiters are overwhelmed. As you can see, there are a lot of empty food trays here. Well, everyone is trying, of course, but I think the hotel, at least in the season I am currently in, is apparently saving on staff, so there are definitely not enough hands. The pastries and desserts are very tasty, and there is a large quantity of seafood, but again, this is if you come during the time when everything is on the trays. Often there is nothing available at the serving area, and you will need to wait about 20 minutes for everything to be replenished, which is significant, especially if you are traveling with children. But overall, you can gather some ingredients for tacos. These ingredients are always available here. This is the set I collected. This is exactly what I was talking about. 20 minutes passed and they brought new sweets, which are also quickly taken due to high demand. But look at this beauty. Everything looks very delicious. come, and I went to travel by sea on kayaks. This activity is free here for those who are staying. You can also get masks and fins here, swim near the local small coral reefs, and explore the underwater depths.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance.
If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, be sure to subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss the next episodes. And of course, if you like this video, give it a like, I would really appreciate it. Wish you great mood. See you all soon. Goodbye.